Today, we'll be comparing a $10 Rubik's Cube versus a $50 Rubik's Cube. Let's get on with the video. The $10 Rubik's Cube is slow and hard to turn, while the $50 Rubik's Cube is fast and easy to turn. Now, I'll be doing 50 solves on each of these cubes, and I'll decide which cube is the winner. The $10 Rubik's Cube was very slow and hard to turn. This made it very hard for me to scramble and solve the cube, resulting in very slow times. At the start of the 50 solves, I was averaging around 15 to 16 seconds with a couple of bad solves. This made my average around 16 seconds. However, towards the end of the average, my solves started getting higher and higher, 17, 18, and even 19 second solves. This was due to the amount of effort it took to turn the cube, which was making my fingers tired, which led to very poor solves. Eventually, I ended the session with a mean of 17.29 seconds and with a single of 12.54 seconds. Now, let's get on with the $50 cube. The $50 cube was a big improvement compared to the $10 cube. It was fast and very easy to turn. I ended the session with a 13.43 second mean and a 10.78 single. In conclusion, the $50 Rubik's Cube was way better than the $10 Rubik's Cube, which can be seen in my times and in my journey. The $50 Rubik's Cube was very fast and smooth and easy to turn, while the $10 Rubik's Cube was slow and hard to turn, leading to bad solves. Anyway, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.